Hello and welcome to my channel, Make English Easy. Lesson number 2, consonant blends with magic E. Do you know what this image is? Let's learn to spell and read. Brave. B plus R equals br. Br. Repeat after me. Br. 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 A. V. Brave. Brave. Repeat after me. Brave. 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 Now it's your turn. Now practice with me. Br. A. V. Brave. Say it again. Don't forget to try and read the sentence at the end of the video. Brave. Repeat after me. Brave. 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 Wow, well done. Now it's your turn. Br. A. V. Brave. Br. A. V. Brave. Can you read this sentence? He has to be so brave. Repeat after me. He has to be so brave. He has to be so brave. He has to be so brave. Repeat after me. He has to be so brave. He has to be so brave. Let's do it one more time. Brave. He has to be so brave. Repeat after me. He has to be so brave. He has to be so brave. Brave. Great job. Well done. Keep practicing every day and you'll soon be reading. See you in the next lesson.
With teacher Mick, alphabet to reading. Learn with teacher Mick, reading really quick. Yeah, yeah. Teacher Mick.
Ta-da! See you next time.